Today, I want to talk to you about Syrian terms of endearment or alqab ad-dala. Hello everyone and welcome to Speak Real Arabic. My name is Ozzy and I'm your new host for this wonderful channel. So, as you know, every culture has its own cute little words you can say to people you love. Syria is not that different, no matter what the internet says. Now, of course, we have the classic terms of endearment, something like hayati, which means my life, or the one you're most likely know already is habibi or habibti, which means my love. Though we also have some more obscure words, mostly relating to death, that only Syrians can make cute. These are disturbing, but quite lovely. So, let's dive into some of those, shall we? Before we jump in though, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the bell icon, sellouts. You know, it'll mean a lot to us and it'll motivate us to do some more awesome content for you out there. So, let's jump in with the first term of endearment, which is تقبرني. I'm gonna say that again, تقبرني, which literally means, may you bury me. Now, I know what you're thinking. Asking someone to bury you is quite romantic, right? Well, what this actually means, or where it comes from, let's say, is that I love you so much that I don't want to be alive without you. So I hope that I die before you so I don't have to endure that pain. Aw, aren't we adorable? Another one, which I really love, is Caffeine, which I don't know if you can guess from content, but it has to do with coffins. This one literally translates to, may you lay me down in my coffin. We really do know how to be romantic, don't we? You see, most of these obscure terms all revolve around the idea of, I just wish I died before you because I love you so much. One of the best ones, in my opinions, is Tushkul asi. Tushkul asi. You see, this has a very interesting origin, and I know how it sounds, but in Syrian culture, there is a tradition that when someone dies, we hang the myrtle plant, or Myrtus communis, you know, to those of you botanic nerds out there. It's not like I knew it, I had to Google it, whatever. So, in Arabic, that plant is called ass, which, yes, I know how that sounds, but I swear that's the right pronunciation. So, Tushkul asi literally translates to, may you hang my myrtle. Isn't that just so lovely you could cry? Anyways, the last one I want to hit today is a very descriptive one actually, which is تطلع على أبري. تطلع على أبري. Now this one is especially awesome. You see, literally it translates to, may you stand on my grave. However, in Syrian and most other Islamic cultures actually, graves are sacred and stepping on someone's grave is considered to be massively disrespectful. So, when you tell someone تطلع على أبري, this means I love you so much, I want to die before you, and even if you step on my grave, I'll still love you. I am telling you, when we love hard. So, that's all I wanted to talk to you guys today. I hope you liked it. Please give us that thumbs up if you haven't already. I mean, I know you have, but hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, sellouts. Thank you so much for watching, and again, if there's anything about Syrian culture you're curious about or you want me to talk about it, just let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to jump on that. Once more, I'm Ozzy and I hope to see you all soon. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.